Hey guys, I'm DevCon, and in my recent video, a lot of you have been commenting that Spotify is going completely blank when you install SPICETIFY, so today I'm going to teach you how to fix your SPICETIFY. I think the reason SPICETIFY was causing errors is because the new update for Spotify doesn't support SPICETIFY. So if you navigate to this website in the description, as you can see, there are a load of Spotify update kind of patches and setups for older versions. Basically, what you want to do is you want to delete your Spotify that you currently have and click on the May 27th, 2021 version of Spotify. When you click that, you'll be brought to a download button. Don't worry, this isn't dodgy, this is just an archive of previously downloaded or released Spotify versions. So if you click download, then it will start downloading the Spotify setup. You'll have to go through the setup again and you will have to sign in again. So unfortunately, that's the kind of downside to fixing your SPICETIFY. But when you download it, when you're on the setup, go on to my most recent video on how to install SPICETIFY and follow all the steps again and you should have it working.